Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome back. Day 21, we are completing our 3 weeks of our 100-day challenge. Going strong, going well, and going amazing. Thanks for all your support, love, affection, inputs, and guys who are listening my video for the first time. This is a series where we have embarked on a journey, on a 100-day journey to unleash, to uncover, to unfold some facts of our life and make our life more meaningful, more impactful, and more happier. And consider subscribing to my channel and share your insights, love, motivation. And guys, I think today's topic I chose because I think it's very important that, and it is like we should do what we love to do. And many a times from our childhood days, we have our dreams to become this and that, either an actor or a pilot or a cricket or a sportsman or whatever. And by the time we come into our young age and adult, we give up, or we never very few people will still follow their dreams and will get best out of it, but many of us will just simply go into the other side of the direction because of the fact that our parents or our friends or our families or our societies have a different perception or a different thoughts about it. And that's where we get to leave our dream and go what is go on the other side, just to please so many other people in the society. And then we just never get out of that, because we are not in love with that what we are doing it, and it's just we are doing it for the sake of doing it. And that's where it's so very important. If we make a conscious decision, if I want to become a sportsman or I want to become a pilot, the one thing we have to do is keep your dreams within you, because the moment you tell your dreams to the other people, they will have a different perception, different thoughts, different insights, and will have a different judgment for you. So the good thing is, the only thing, just keep your dream within yourself and keep on pursuing it continuously, consistently, and with full focus and full commitment. As been we have been discussing in the past, there is nothing, everything is there available in this world, in this universe. The only intention is we need to go and let that energies and let that let all the things come and come flow through us. And it can only be happen if we are laser focused in our vision, if we are laser focused in our dreams, or this is what we want, this is the life we want to spend, this is the life we want to live in. And we are just laser focused in that, obsessed with that, consistent with that, committed with that, focused with that, and everything else will flow into place. So don't give up. I'm sure if you see the stories, KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken story, the person who started that chain, he started that chain in the age of 65. So age is not a limit of your dreams. Age is not any limit. It's only when we decide to do it and how we decide to do it, and just be stay focused and committed to it. And like yesterday we discussed, there is no ordinary moment. Certainly there is no ordinary moment. Every moment of this life is filled with fun, excitement, joy. And so if you have a dream, even whatever the age, whatever the whatever period of life you're going through it, if you have a dream, just be laser focused to that and take some action to it every day. I think example is like we are embarking on this 100-day journey, and I'm always committed that I have to do this 100-day journey. I'm putting my video every day with that excitement, with that joy. And I always love speaking to you guys, and same likewise looking for your inputs and insights. So keep that passion with you, keep that enthusiasm with you, and keep following that. Just let go it. Just follow it religiously, consistently, commit, and with commitment, you will see the results soon. Don't give up. The only thing is, the last thing you will do is to give up just because you're not seeing the results. But if you're committed, if you're strong, if you're consistent, you will see the results. The results are bound to happen. It's the law. It's a law of universe. So we need to focus, we need to be committed, and we need to do what we love to do. That's the, I think, was the note for today. I hope you would have enjoyed it. And as always, request for your insights, inputs, stories, inside view, and anything we can make this channel more impactful, more what do you say, more to reach to more people. It's always appreciated, and looking for your love, your thoughts, your insights, your inputs. And thank you so much, guys. Till we meet next tomorrow, have a great and a wonderful day. Thank you so much.